Welcome to Week 9, Assignment 9A, Memorandum with a Table. This table, I chose Insert Table, 3 columns and 4 rows. So for the first 2 rows, the first column B and C, I'm going to select, and from the Layout tab, choose Merge, and then I can center. So I'll go back to the Home tab, center. Maybe make the text a little bit larger and put it in bold. For the World Wide Web, I'm going to select all of the cells in column A, and the same thing, layout, merge cells, and I'll change the direction of the text, and then also put it in the center, and then probably not as wide, so make it a little bit smaller in width, and then I'll increase the size of World Wide Web and put it in bold. Just make sure that it's not too large that it goes onto another line. For San Diego Zoo and SeaWorld, I want to split that in 2 separate rows. So I'll choose Layout, Split Cells, make sure it's 1 column but 2 rows. And then when I click into the next cell, because I just did it, I can use the repeat key, which is up here. It's also F4 or Control Y, and I'll do it one more, Control Y. And then I'm just going to select SeaWorld and drag it below. Jacobs Field, same thing, and Universal Studios, drag it down. What I can do now is change the design. So table design, and select any style you'd like. If you like, you can center, so I'll go to Layout, and I'll put them right in the center. And I'll keep these as they are, but I probably can make the font a little bit larger on all of them, just so it stays. Now if it goes onto another line, I can make this wider, so it all fits on one. Now the next thing, I just need to change that back to center. Sometimes when you choose a table design, it may change some of the layout, so you just have to make sure you adjust it. The next thing I'm going to do is actually move this so that it's below the first line of text. So to move, you'll select the table handle and then just drag it so that, make sure you're within the margins above. And I'll probably make this a little bit, you can just eye it, make this maybe a little bit more narrow. So I'm looking for my double arrows. If you have trouble with the double arrows, if I select it, I can go up here and change the width of it. And maybe not so wide with the first column, or the middle column. So I'll go in here and make that narrow. And if I want to move it a little bit more, I can. Maybe make sure it's not in the margin so it'll print. And then if you would like, for the paragraph, Control J will justify it. And that's a final copy. Thank you.